Hello guys, welcome back to my another After Effects tutorial. This is a new minimal title series, which we are going to start from today, so without any wait, let's see the preview for our first tutorial. In this series, I will be using Montserrat font family. If you want, you can download this font from below, link in the description. So let's start our first tutorial of this title animation series. Let's start with adding our first text. Let's align the text to center. Now let's add tracking to our text. Go to Animate, select Tracking. Now in Range select A1. Make sure you are at start of the timeline. Now create a keyframe for offset. Change offset value to -100%. Now go up 2 seconds. Change offset value to 100%. Now select the end keyframe. Change keyframe assistant to easy ease. Now adjust the speed graph as shown. Now go to advanced. Change shape to ramp up. Change easy low value to 100%. Now for range select A1, let's add position property. Go to Add, from Property, select Position. Now change the position for Y-axis to 100. Now you can see the preview. Perfect. Now select our first text layer. Press Ctrl+T to create a duplicate. Now position it below the first text layer. Now let's change the text. Adjust the position of the text layer. Now for second text layer. Go to Text. Animate A1. Range select A1. Advanced. Change shape to ramp down. Change easy high to 100%. Change easy low to 0%. Now position the second text exactly below the first text. Let's see the preview. Perfect. Now select the text layer 1. Pre-compose it. Name it as Text 1. Now select second text layer. Pre-compose it. Name it as Text 2. Now let's create shape layer for each text. Create shape layer in such a way that it hides the text. Perfect. Now for Text 1 composition. Change Track Matte to Alpha Matte Shape Layer 1. Now let's create another shape layer for Text 2. Make sure you have not selected any text layer. Draw the shape layer covering our second text composition. Position it below the Text 1 composition. Now for Text 2 composition. Change Track Matte to Alpha Matte Shape Layer 2. Now let's see the preview. Perfect. Here our first tutorial for this series is complete. Thank you guys for watching this tutorial. If you like this tutorial then don't forget to hit that like button, and if you are new here then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.